Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. So in order to do it, you first need to open that particular exchange or that particular wallet in which you have your BTC, and from there you can send BTC in your Phantom Wallet. Now for this video, I chose my Binance account, so you can also choose the same. So here, as you can see that currently I'm in my Binance account, and here I have some BTC available in my account. But if you don't have BTC in your Binance account, then you will have to purchase it first. So in order to purchase it, you need to simply select BTC, and here you need to tap on buy option in the bottom. Over here you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin, and here you need to simply tap on the buy BTC option in the bottom. Now once this step is done, you just have to simply tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to tap on spot. So by default you will be on the overview tab, so you need to tap on spot in the top, and here in this list you will be able to see Bitcoin as one of them. So you need to tap on it, and here you need to select the withdrawal option. Now select the first option of send via crypto network. Over here you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the address or invoice. So in order to get it, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and here you need to tap on the receive option in the top. Now once you tap on receive, you will be able to see Bitcoin wallet address. So you need to simply tap on the copy button right next to the Bitcoin, and you need to come back to this page and paste the address in this section. Now by default it will take the network as Bitcoin, so you need to make sure that the network is correct. If it choose any other networks, or if it doesn't choose any of the networks, then you just have to make sure that the Bitcoin network is selected over here. After that, you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer from your Binance account. So here you can either tap the amount, or so over here you can either type the amount for yourself, and you can even tap on the max option in order to select the maximum amount. Afterwards you need to tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page it will show you the information relating to this transaction, so you need to make sure there that your network and your deposit address are correct. Once you are done with it, you need to tap on the confirm option and wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Now once your transaction is completed, you will be able to deposit your BTC into your Phantom Wallet, and it will be visible on the home page of your Phantom Wallet over here. So if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.